Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy that I will share you in this video step by step right here. So simply I can show you that cracking the code of making $239 plus 89 cents using the free topic and CPA marketing plus CPA offers with CPAGrip or CPA lead. So stay tuned to the very end of this video. I'm going to share with you step by step that how you can do that and how you can make money possibly very easily without any experience and without hesitation, just using your smartphone, PC or laptop and internet connection. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working. The first and important thing is that you need to sign up with CPA lead or CPAGrip.com. Once you sign up with that, then you can simply log into your account right here. Before going with further details on this method and this strategy, I will just request you to watch the video to the very end to do not miss any single part of the strategy. And the next portion is that you simply hit the like button as an appreciation for this video and turn on the bell notification. And once you hit the subscribe button, then turn on the bell notification and to all. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So the first and important thing is that to sign up with CPAGrip and then log into your account, then make sure that you sort it by the United States right here, because we are promoting the United States offers right here. So once you are good to go with that, the next step will be that you can simply just choose any product right here that you can simply use right here. So we can simply just start promoting right here. Basically, we will use the PayPal gift card, $1,000 PayPal gift card right here to spend. We can simply click on here. We can see here that this is the title. This is the requirement, for example, that they will have for us to somebody that if we are converting, so he must just convert into that and he need to add or submit their email right here. So this will be a special link that we can simply copy and promote. So before completing this method, you just need to copy the link and shorten with bit.ly or TinyURL or Linktree. Use a Linktree for that. That will be a better option. And once you are done with that, the next step will be that you can simply go to Twitter.com. Twitter is a great opportunity for us to use and have a billion of free traffic for absolutely free right here. But here is a special trick that we can simply use right here. So if you just look to the Twitter.com, they are getting 6.8 billion traffic each month right here. Means every single month we are having like almost 7 billion free traffic right here, and most of the traffic is coming from the United States, as you can simply see here. So most of the traffic is coming right here from the United States, and we do want to promote our product in front of these guys right here. So once you are come right here, the next step will be that as you can simply just type, for example, PayPal. So once you tap the PayPal right here, for example, you just type it PayPal and you will have the official page of PayPal right here. You can simply click on that. Once you click on that, then we will be visited this page right here. They will get 879,000 plus followers they are getting right here on this page, official PayPal page, and many people are using that. As you can see here, they just posted a single thing right here and many people are interacting with them and they are using that. For example, and happy to use PayPal and interact with PayPal right here. So for that reason, the first step will be for us will be that we can create a simple PayPal account right here, similar to PayPal. We can simply create one account. Once we create the account right here, we can simply add our link right here. So our Linktree link that we have created, or bit.ly or TinyURL link that we have created, we can simply just put it right here. So how we can put it right here? Simply, once you create your account, you can simply go to your account and then you can simply click on the edit profile option right here. Then you will be visited this page right here, and then you can simply scroll down and you will see here the option, for example, website. And this website section, you can simply add your link right here, paste the link and click on the save button right here. So once you click on the save button right here, so it will be visible right here on your page right here, and everybody can see that right here. Okay, so once you come to this page right here, the next step will be that right here, for example, that you can simply go to the followers of PayPal right here. So once you click on the PayPal right here, for example, the followers right here. Let me just refresh the page right here. Okay, so once you just come to right here to the PayPal, for example, followers, you need to follow those followers right here. Once you follow them, they get the notification and they will also see your account right here. So you can also follow them right here and they will also follow you right here. So make sure that you just follow random people, not verified people, or not, for example, the bigger people that they have already money and or they are the biggest company, something like that. So you can simply use these random people. For example, you can simply follow them right here. Okay, for example, these are the guys. You can simply just follow them. Once you follow them, they will see your notification and they will see your account right here. And of course, you will have the option, for example, right here. You will have your link in the bio, something like that, and you will have similar account to like PayPal, because they are already agree and happy and satisfied with PayPal. So that's why they will also interact with you. The next step will be that you can simply go back right here and you can simply just post something right here. For example, let me just post it something right here. For example, you can simply just post right here. Let me just do that. Okay, have a chance to get $1,000 PayPal gift card, for example, to spend, and this offer is limited for a short time only. Kindly visit our website and this in the bio, link in the bio. Okay, then you can simply click on the tweet. Once you click on the tweet, it will be tweeted. The people that they follow you, they can simply see your tweet and they can simply interact with that. Many people will just like that. Many people will just uh, reply that, and many people will retweet that. So in that way, they can also move to your account right here, and they can also, because everybody need a free gift card, so that's why they will be happy with that, and they can simply go to your account right there and they can simply click on your side link, which will be that PayPal link right there, and they can simply sign up. Whenever they sign up, we get the commission right here. That is as simple as this. So this was one trick, the pre-traffic that we can simply use. The next step will be that you will have the option analytics right here. You can simply click on that. Once you click on that right here, then you can simply have the option promote this tweet. You can simply just click on that. Once you click on that, then you can spend something like $5 or $10, something like that, and you can promote this tweet directly to United States traffic and audience, and they can simply see your tweet. Once they see, and they were happy, because this is the option pre-gift card. So PayPal gift card, everybody is willing to join this program, which is free. So that's why everybody will be agree to sign up with this and submit their emails. So once they submit their emails, we are earning the money. If you just spend $5 or $10, something like that, at the backside you can 3x, 4x, and 5x your money right here, because this is the best and easy method that I was about to share with you in today's video, and you will definitely like that. So if you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button as an appreciation for this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification into all. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. If you want to make more money online than this, then check out the first link in the description of this video. I can simply put you this software actually that can turn all YouTube videos into article by just clicking a single button right here. So this software is really works smart, and you don't need to do anything into that. For example, right here, simply you just create a website, and then you simply that will convert all the video into any video you want. For example, that will convert into article for you, and you can simply paste article on your website and you are good to go to earn this amount of money very easily from the website right here. Okay, so if you like it, please check out the first link in the description of this video. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moment.